Brian and I got distracted.
ADD.
And will it run?
Probably.
I think it will.
If it has a fuel pump, it will.
If it has a fuel pump. I didn't bring my battery pack. Or my truck.
Yeah. There you go. My battery pack's just one.
I kind of want to throw power in it and see what it does. Okay. But we were just pulling it out because we were both curious to see if
how rusty it is.
Yeah, how bad it is. It looks rough. Okay. But I don't think it's as rough as the red one. Not this red part, but that one. That's where they go. See, that's already better than the other one. But I can see the floor's gone. That seat's broken.
Certain cars got across the front radiator support.
Yeah, this one doesn't have that one.
Right here.
Oh,
soft.
It has under 100,000 miles on it. 99,000 on it.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Couple of wheels.
Yeah, looks like somebody did a really good paint job on it at one time.
That might be original paint. That's original paint.
It came off funny though. I don't know. It looks whiter than the other.
I think it's got some spray can.
That tire's got some air in it. Oh, let me check the. I mean, it's. Yeah, it just fell apart. I wish this car wasn't rough. I don't like white cars, but this would have been a cool car for it to not be rough. Do you think the blue one's better than this one?
No, I don't think any of them are any good.
I don't know, we have no good Daytonas. Yeah. Alright. No preparation on this car whatsoever. I've seen guys make videos, Brian, about guys like us who throw battery in a car, don't even check the... Why are you doing that? That's already too much. They don't check the oil. They don't pull the plugs. They just spin it over and let all the crust and everything flow through the engine. Yeah, that's what's going to happen right now. So just prepare yourself.
If we're lucky.
If we're lucky. So power for the first time in who knows how long. And yeah, somebody moved the battery.
Yeah. Oh, I heard the pump.
I don't know if that was the pump.
I think it was the pump. I think it was the pump.
I think that was something under the hood. Or
no, go back by the back.
Hang on. You want to turn the key? The key was on when I plugged it in? Yeah. All right. He's gonna flip off the key and do it again. Yeah. Oh my God, it works. It's probably, if there's anything in it, it's on the ground. I'm sure the lines are rotted on it. So the pump works. Actually sounded. It's extremely empty.
The gauge doesn't move at all.
And it cranks. It'll probably run on starting fluid, which we brought because I had a feeling. It actually sounds fine.
Sounds good.
Yeah. A lot of rodents were in here. This right here is the blow-off valve, and if I pop this filter off, I can't do it one-handed. Yeah, we got a screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver?
I brought you a screwdriver.
Yeah, pop that off.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Brian, come on. You're making me wait.
I was looking for fuel pressure.
Oh, we got to do that too. This will be the shortest will it run.
Oh, you know, it won't start?
We should put
somebody that I know pillaged the coil wire for something else one day. Remember doing that?
Brian, we need a coil wire for this to
we must have borrowed it for something else.
I'll go find one real quick.
The blue car. Okay.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Never mind me. It's got the yeah. It's okay. Oh, oops. I'm gonna try the CSX over here. Yeah, there we go. Excuse me, sir. I need this. I stole a fan relay out of it. Yeah, it's going to overheat because there's no relay. Not because the radiator's empty. Is there a coil in? There is a coil. Well, it came out of a Peabody. It better reach. All right, now you have spark. probably. Ooh, got a new can and everything. Watch that fire. Oh my God. Oh. All right, well, will it run? Yep, with zero prep and a coil wire. Although, Brian used to get, oh! But as you can probably tell, it is a Shelby Daytona, but it's got a motor swap and the intercooler is missing. So it's supposed to be an intercooled car. So somebody already stole all that. But it runs. That's hilarious. That is, and who knows, that gas has got to be 10 years old, 12 years old. The plate expired in 08 on it. And I guess this is a testament to all the, it won't run on old gas. It's purring on old gas. Purring. Put it in gear. Does it go in gear? I could hear the, I could hear the clutch. The clutch pedal's all the way on the left. Hey, it's still chained up to the skid steer. What are you doing? Even if it's open all the way, I don't think it can rev that high. That's crazy. So Brian says, what? Because you blew the turbo line off going full throttle on a dormant engine.
I'm not touching you guys.
Somebody is. So yeah, something's sticking on it, letting it go. It sounds like full throttle. It's scaring me because I don't want to blow it up, but it could be the IAC. But I don't think that moves enough air. That's weird. I don't think it moves enough air to let it rev like that, but everything else is hooked up and it's running good. So, Brian, it runs pretty good. Does the AC work? Oh, that never works. You gotta have the touch. You ready? You got your high beams on. There you go. You gotta get the old dimmer a twist. Oh, it's got one of those shitty AF gauges in it. Does any of these tachometers work? No horn. All right, we're gonna do a safety inspection. We're gonna do a safety inspection now.
What about wipers?
I don't want to scratch this windshield. Daytona windshields are like getting hard to find. The headlights are on. They're on, but they're not open. Turn them off. I smell mice. I smell mice cooking. Whew. It runs nice, except for when you floor it in neutral. Poor engine. Yeah, you waking it up. Oh, somebody's been doing some wiring in here. Fine. Maybe that's why the AF gauge doesn't work. One of those is the.
This is all.
The O2's right here. Yeah, one of the wires for the O2 is gone. Huh. Wow, that's knock sensor right here. The what? I mean, were you revving it at all? Because it was moving.
Tiny little bit.
Oh shit, don't mess with it. It might. I don't want it to take off when we're not in the car to kill it. Yeah, but if it revs, I'm gonna yank the coil wire if it gets out of control. You put your finger over it? It still idles.
I put that on. I took that off. It wasn't idling high enough.
Isn't that ported? Isn't that ported anyway?
No, that does the idle.
All right. Well, I guess this is an 89. 89 Shelby rust bucket. Will it run? Yeah. On old gas. No prep. Just put a battery in it and pulled the trigger.
That's
and
a lucky battery.
Yeah. All right. Well, that was fun, huh, Brian? Daytona shot.
Transmission had some gears.
It did have some gears.
555.
And again, it's the wrong engine. It has the wrong intake. Has the wrong. Actually, that might be a black intake. Has no intercooler though.
555.
555. All right, well, I'm going to end the video here because that's enough. There's nothing else to do to it. We just wanted to pull it out and see how rotted it was, and then I was like, well, let's put a battery on it, and it purrs. All right, well, that's it. 89 Daytona Shelby. Will it run? Yes. By the way, it's not a real Shelby. It's not like it's a numbered Shelby. Yeah, well, I want to back it in. All right, that's it.